Now it's time for Getting Legal with Tim Misny.
Hey, thanks for joining us for Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Tim, we're here at Jimmy's Diner, the 55th Street Diner.
55th and St. Clair.
Yeah, and I see you took a sip of the best coffee around.
I tell you, the coffee food is great, but the service is even better.
Yeah, I know. And Tim, you know, you've been helping folks for 33 years now with birth injury cases, medical malpractice, catastrophic injury.
Right.
Walk me through the procedure. If I'm in an accident, what happens when I give you a call?
Well, first of all, you'll meet with me, and my first order of business is to make sure that you get the very best medical care. I have two goals in representing my clients. First of all, get them the best medical care possible, and secondly, get them fair compensation. But that's kind of like the compensation is putting the cart before the horse. We first have to talk about medical care. My goal is to get you back physically where you were before this accident, get you the best medical care. It's so important to get you associated with the right doctors because we have to lay the proper foundation, John, so that if, God forbid, 2-3 months from now, you have a severe problem, let's say your fingertips start to go numb, and you call me up and say, Tim, you could literally stick needles in my fingertips, I don't feel anything, I can't grip anything. If you've been to the doctor on a regular basis and we have laid the proper foundation, we then will be able to tie that injury, that condition, into the accident. So my first order of business in representing my client is to make sure they have the best doctors, the same doctors that my family would go to if, God forbid, my family was involved in an accident.
You know, I've known you for a long time. You always put people first.
Yes.
And I really love that about you.
Thank you, John.
So if somebody calls you, what can they expect?
They're going to meet with me. I'm old-fashioned. I like to sit face to face, talk to the client. I'll meet them anywhere at a time and place that's convenient. Furthermore, John, if I take the case, my clients all get my direct dial cell phone number because oftentimes their concerns don't conveniently fall within the 9-to-5 confines. They can reach me anytime.
That is great to know. I mean, that you are there for them in more ways than one, more
Yes.
than just a legal way. All right, Tim.
Thank you, my friend.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny.